Hello from Circle. In this video, we will see how to use module to LCDs with LCD board. The LCD character displays is most used displays in the Maker universe, but this component needs a lot of connection to the Arduino. This process sometimes going to be really annoying to complete projects. If you decide to use LCD display, you need a lot of components. One breadboard, one potentiometer, one 220 ohm resistor, some jumper cables, Arduino and displays. You need to make a circuit on breadboard, and this process is not primitive and take a lot of time. The energy of you have spent for use this LCD is not worth it. LCD shield and board designed for save you from this situation. First step for coding is installing libraries. You can download libraries from circleelectronic.com. At the bottom of the LCD shield and board page, you can see the download links part. Click and download Liquid Crystal and Liquid Crystal I2C libraries. After downloaded it, you need to install to Arduino. Open the Arduino IDE and click Sketch. Include library, add zip library, and find the library file. And click Choose. I2C library is same like Liquid Crystal. For I2C displays coding, we will use example Hello World from library. Some I2C displays addresses is different from here. If your display is not working after uploaded code, you need to change addresses like shown. First, attach the I2C module to LCD board. After attaching module, you can attach the LCD after it. Time for the connections. The module GND pins to Arduino GND pin, VCC pin to Arduino 5V pin, module SDA pin to Arduino analog 4 pin. Module SCL pin to Arduino analog 5 pin. And that's it. Get Arduino to power. You can buy LCD shield and board on circleelectronic.com. Thanks for watching.